Welcome back to MV Classes. Take a second to look at this code. Figure 3 shows a program written in Python that calculates the area of a rectangle or the volume of a box from the user's input. So if you look at the whole code, you can see the number 1 input, number 2, and number 3. Then you've got the answer, and then you've got another if statement. So the question says complete the trace table using the program in figure 3. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're just going to start to plot it. So number 1 is 5. Now I like to put it right onto the code so that I can see where I am. Number 2 is 6. It says number 3, int input, and then there's a statement. And it says that input is going to be -1. So answer is calculate, pass the value of number 1, number 2, and number 3 into the function. So when we pass 5, 6, and -1, if height is equal to -1, return the width times the length, which will be 5 times 6, which will give us 30 in answer. So the next part of the if statement, if num3 is equal to -1, which it is, great, print area and the answer. So what we're going to write in the final input is area and then the answer. See if you can finish off this trace table.